Imagine waking up after a bad night of sleep and feeling unusually emotional. Small problems feel bigger, stress hits faster, and patience disappears. That shift isn't just mood, it's your brain. And one structure in particular, the amygdala. The amygdala is a small, almond-shaped region deep in the brain. Its job is to detect emotional significance, especially threats, and trigger fast emotional responses. You can think of it as an emotional alarm. When something feels important or dangerous, the amygdala reacts immediately. To keep that alarm from overfiring, the brain relies on the prefrontal cortex. This front part of the brain supports planning, self-control, and emotional regulation, meaning it helps adjust how strong emotions are and how we respond to them. Sleep plays a critical role in keeping this system balanced. Sleep isn't passive rest. It has structure called sleep architecture, which is the repeating cycle of sleep stages across the night. These stages include non-REM sleep and REM sleep. Non-REM sleep ranges from light sleep to deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep. According to the restoration theory of sleep, the main purpose of sleep is repair and replenishment. During deep non-REM sleep, the body repairs tissue, supports the immune system, and the brain clears out metabolic waste. This is heavy maintenance. REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep, serves a different role. During REM sleep, the brain is highly active, dreams are more likely, and stress-related chemicals like norepinephrine are unusually low. This chemical environment allows emotional memories to be revisited without the same intensity. The brain can keep the memory while reducing its emotional charge. REM sleep also helps restore functional connectivity, meaning communication, between the prefrontal cortex and the amygdala. When REM sleep is cut short, especially late in the night, the amygdala becomes more reactive and the emotional brake weakens. In short, deep sleep restores the brain. REM sleep recalibrates emotion, and without enough of both, emotions become harder to control. Sleep isn't lost time, it's emotional maintenance.